Which of the following is the third term of the expansion 2x plus 3, all of which is to the fifth? So, all right, this requires Pascal's triangle. All right, so 0 term or 0 degrees. So if the degree is 0, you have 1. If the degree is 1, you have 1, 1. If the degree is 2, you have 1, 2, 1. So now what I'm doing is the outside is always going to be 1, and then the inside is always going to be the sum of whatever these guys are. D3, so I'm not even close to what I want to be, which is D5. I have 1, 3, 3, 1. D4 is going to be 1, 4, 4. Nope, 6. 4, 1, and then finally D5, 1, 5. Let me do this. Let me make you a special color because we care about the third term. 10, 5, 1. You basically set this guy as your A, set this guy as your B, and you kind of go along with the motions. So like D5 is going to be, A to the fifth. 1, I guess I should say 1A to the fifth, plus 5A to the fourth, B. And then here's where it gets very important, plus 10A to the third, B squared. Now, I can keep going, but I don't need to. What I'm going to do is, since I already labeled A 2x, I'm going to replace A with 2x. And since I have B as 3, that's going to be 3 squared. So 10 times 2 times 2 times 2 times x times x times x times 3 squared becomes that. And then you get 80 times 9, which is 720, times x to the third gives me A. So I kind of feel dumb. I could have just noticed that immediately because it asks for the third term of that expansion. So A I could have done like right away if I just would have realized that that's the only cubic one there. But, I did the whole thing kind of, and I'm glad I did.